for the defense in the second half?
Just them getting off the field. I mean, had a couple mistakes in the first half, got them going a little bit. But the second half, just like 2 weeks ago in our last game, defense hunkered down. Didn't seem like they made any mistakes. And especially there at the end, the way to finish it, their last 2 drives was great.
Shutout, so that's good. But it seemed to me like the defensive line stepped it up, and they dominated not only on the defensive side, but the offensive.
Exclusive control over the iPhone App Store. Illegal.
Position is not closed. Till just, you know,
like why did? But I really like the path that he's taken and the improvements and the strides that he's made over the last.
Baby, baby, it looks like it's gonna hail. Baby, baby, it looks like it's gonna hail. You better come inside, let me teach you how.